Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. Today, I'm gonna experiment. I saw on TikTok. Mommy just saw it to me. Today, I'm gonna make my dog's milk into a popsicle. First, you need a stick, a dog's milk, and a knife. First, you need to wash the stick muna. I'm gonna be right back. Okay guys, now I wash the stick. Now, after mommy for help to use a knife for the dog's milk. Okay, now we have to put the popsicle stick. Now we need to put it into the freezer. Mommy, where are you? I was going to take the popsicle to make the popsicle, mommy.
Freeze, the white one.
Now we need to wait the dog's milk to freeze into
24 hours.
24 hours. Later we're gonna check it. Now it's 24 hours. Let's see what happened to the dog's milk. If it's fake or not. I think it's happening. It's hard. Oh, go tangle it. Oh.
Get it.
Why is brown?
I don't know.
Dapat.
Because it's ano flavor niya to? Blueberry.
Why?
Violet. Ooh.
Let's take this thing. Oh, I'm gonna say it. Oh, yummy. Now let's do it.
Like and subscribe na. Bye-bye na.
Like and subscribe. Bye.